What if I told you a man became a millionaire by selling rocks? Yes, ordinary stones, not gold, not diamonds, just regular rocks you could find in your backyard. And people bought them by the millions. And before you roll your eyes thinking, well, yeah, that's just a one-time fluke, let me ask you, if someone sold rocks and you're still waiting for the perfect idea, who's really being ridiculous? This is the story of Pet Rock, one of the dumbest yet most successful business ideas ever, and a lesson on why marketing beats logic every single time. It's 1975. A guy named Gary Dahl is sitting in a bar in California with his buddies. They're all complaining about their pets. Expensive, messy, noisy. And Gary goes, "You know what the perfect pet would be? A rock. No feeding, no walking, no poop, no vet bills, just vibes." Most people would laugh and move on. But Gary, he turned the joke into a product. He designed a box with air holes and straw like it was a live animal. He even wrote a 32-page training manual. It was sarcastic, it was dumb, on purpose, and it was genius. He wasn't just selling a rock, he was selling a problem-free fantasy. The rock had a personality, the box had humor, and the whole thing made people laugh, and then reach for their wallets. Price, $3.95 in 1975 equals approximately $22 today. The Pet Rock hit stores right before Christmas, and it blew up. It was the TikTok of 1975. No ads, just word of mouth and media buzz. In a few months, Gary sold over 1.5 million rocks. That's over $6 million in revenue. Do the math. He bought rocks for pennies, packaged them for cents, and sold them for $4. That's a markup of over 1,000%. Let that sink in. The hype lasted only 6 months, but Gary didn't care. He walked away a millionaire. He launched more gag products later, but nothing ever matched the Pet Rock. Still, he didn't need another hit. He had already made history by selling literal stones. So what's the takeaway? Let me break it down for you. You don't need a genius idea. You need a unique angle. Marketing beats logic. People buy stories, not just stuff. And sometimes, stupid is smart. Most people never start because they think their idea is too dumb. But what if that's exactly why it would work? Your idea doesn't have to change the world. It just has to make someone stop and say, wait, what? Gary didn't wait to be ready. No investor, no startup plan, no permission. Just packaging, confidence, and a rock. If a man can sell rocks and become a millionaire, what's your excuse? If this video made you think, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone stuck overthinking their big idea. And comment below, what's the dumbest idea you've ever had that might actually work? Think different, build smarter,